Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to everyone. My name is Miss Aisha Kaleem and I am your class teacher of drawing subject. Today I am going to teach you drawing subject. Now you are promoted in class 2. Please don't discard your previous books and you will do your work on the previous books. Before I starting my lecture, I want to remember you that you should follow the SOPs. First of all, number 1, washing hands, number 2, wearing masks, and number 3, keeping distance between two persons. Now today I will do the book page number 27 and 30 of your art book. Now look at the book, see the book page number 27 and 30. I will read the instructions in front of you. Draw object from circle balloon. As you know, the balloon has a circle shape. Now I am going to draw the balloon in front of you on the board. Now look at the board. Students, as you know, circle has no shape and no corner. So first of all, you have to draw the balloon in air like this. Now check my hand movement on the board and draw the balloon with me. Students, now I will draw a balloon with the help of circle. As you know, circle has no shape and no corner. Now hold the pencil properly and draw it with me. Check my hand movement like this. I am going to draw a circle. Like this. Now my circle is completed, and for making the knot, you will draw two slant lines like this and one slipping line to join the node, and then you will make a freehand thread like this. Now my balloon is completed. Now it's time for coloring. I have a color box. I choose orange color to color the balloon. You can choose your own choice color. Like, look at the board. First make an outline, border line. सबसे पहले आप इसका border बना लें. Now start coloring. Don't do rash coloring. Your color strokes should be in the same direction. Don't do rash coloring like this, left to right, side to side, left to right, side to side. Don't do color outside the border line like this. In this way you can color your picture very neatly. Students, start coloring with me like this. Now left to right, side to side, left to right, side to side. Your color stroke should be smooth like this. Left to right, side to side, left to right, side to side, left to right, side to side. Left to right. Color it very neatly, students. Don't leave white area while coloring. Cover the white area fully. Don't leave white spaces. Color it very neatly. These are the coloring tips. Yes, left to right. Again, left to right, side to side. In this way you can color your picture very easily. Left to right, side to side, left to right, side to side. Fill your balloon with colors very neatly. Enjoy the coloring. Now start. Okay. Your strokes, color strokes should be smooth like this. Students, as you can see, the inner part of the circle is completed now. Now I will color in the node of the balloon like this. I use red color, you can choose your own choice color. Red color. I am coloring in the upward and downward direction. Don't do rash coloring. I am coloring in the same direction. Now the balloon is completed with the help of circle. Students, I have another activity which is on the book page number 30. Draw object from triangle cone ice cream. Now I am going to draw the triangle for you on the board. Cone has triangle shape. First of all, we have to draw the slipping line. Number 1, number 2, number 1 slant line, draw like this, and number 2 slant line like this, and join it at the end. Now the triangle shape is completed. Now check my hand movement, how I am drawing the cone ice cream part. Like this, you will draw it with me. It is an ice cream part. Check my hand movements and draw it with me. Now I am going to draw inner part of the triangle shape. Draw slant lines like this. 3, 4, 5 to complete the inner part of the cone. And again slant line in the opposite direction like this. Now the pattern is completed. Now I am going to color the cone ice cream. I will choose pink color for an ice cream part and light brown color for the cone part. Now color it with me. I will color the cone part first like this. Again left to right, side to side. Don't do rash coloring. Left to right, side to side. In this way you can complete your coloring very neatly. Left to right, side to side. Your color strokes should be in the same direction. Color it very neatly. Left to right, side to side, left to right. Don't leave white spaces between the cone part. Left to right, side to side, left to right, side to side. In this way I complete my cone part. Okay. Now I am using pink color for the ice cream part. You can choose any color of your own choice. I like pink color, that is why I am choosing pink color for the ice cream part. It's an strawberry ice cream. Now again left to right, side to side. Left to right, side to side. Left to right, side to side. Left to right. Don't do color outside the border of an ice cream part. Color it very neatly. Left to right, side to side. Left to right, left to right, side to side. Now the coloring has completed now. Students, I hope now you are able to do it independently. So stay home, safe life, be careful. Allah Hafiz.